guys, today we're going to make our very own homemade sausage rolls. Let's have some fun. So guys, let's get started. Let's crack open this pastry. Oh yeah, if I forgot to mention, this is our pastry, guys. This is our sausage meat. This is our plate-like thing, whatever you want to call it. And this is our knife to cut the pastry. We'll just do that after. Nothing ever happened, you don't talk about it, alright? You never saw it. Oh no, it's not coming open. Oh, that's it, I'm just assisting. Oh, that feels so nice. Whoopsie, that's sticky. That's a bit sticky. Woo! What a throw. Oh, wow, that feels so nice. Whoops, still needs a little bit more unrolling. So guys, I want to make 4 sausage rolls, so I'm cutting it in 4 bits. Hiya! Make sure it's all nice and cut. It's not the best, but it will work. Now guys, I'm going to roll up this sausage meat. It's a bit slimy, but I'll have to deal with it. Oh, how? Now that's convenient. Lolly poly, lolly poly, lolly, lolly, lolly poly. Sausage. Sausage. Sticky hands, well done. If you came this far, it's sticky hands. Yeah. Lolly poly, pop. Spread it out, ever so slightly, tuck it in, bam. Another sausage goes plop. And 2 other sausages go glub. And now we have to roll the sausage. Now let's get folding, guys. Let's have some fun, yeah. Whoopsie doopsie. Whoopsie doopsie. Whoopsie doopsie. Whoopsie doopsie. Whoopsie doopsie. When 2 ends collide, but they collide and collapse. Roly polies. I really want to eat the pastry, but I can't. Who knows why? So now you want to grab the sausage and just close it. This is Tommy's Cooking Show 2.1. Naughty sausage, get back in there, or else. Alright, it's fine, it don't matter. It's fine. Roly-poly number 3. Let's see how roly-poly number 3 goes. Number 4. Roly-poly. Come on, pastry, work! With me. Don't actually work, please don't work. Just work with me. Are these sausage rolls? I don't have a clue. Okie dokie. That's 4 nice sausage rolls for ya. Seriously guys, let's have some fun. Don't cut the meat, Tommy, or else I'm gonna be sad. Why am I talking to myself? Teletubby. Get this bad boy. Squish, squish, squish. This one might be tricky, so I'm just going to forget about that side and have fun on this side. Doopy doopy, doopy doopy. Well, there's a sausage. Just like me. My friend, my sausage. So I go cut, and I go cut, and I go cut, and I go cut, and I go cut. What have I done, guys? Susie. 1 Susie, 2 Susie, 3 Susie, 4 Susie, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know anymore. Okay, all done. Now guys, I'm going to put these beautiful half-looking sausage rolls in this cooking tray. But I don't want to mess these sausage rolls up. My sussy. My beautiful. You move, sir. Please, sir, can you move, sir? That is a one juicy sausage roll. This is a questionable sausage roll. Yeah, that's just going to have to do. Then we are going to have to cook one last one because this is the shy, sad, lonely one. Now guys, I'm going to put these bad boys in the oven and I'll be back with you soon. So guys, Our sausage rolls are all prepared now. I'm not getting tilted because they'll be on the floor, but I hope you don't get annoyed with me. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and boom shakalaka, ding dong ding, I go yum. Oh, that's not right. Yeah. I didn't eat it, I'm just kidding. Hi, yeah.